Okay, this is Module 2, and this is Lesson 5 homework. I'm not going to do the exact problems, but I'm going to show you how to do problem 1. I'll do it with a harder, like a 3-digit times 2-digit number, and then you'll just need to apply it to your homework. Okay, so let's start with the problem. Okay, here in number 1, it says draw an area model. So I've drawn one for you for a different problem. And you'll notice I just broke up the 30, 3 and the 1. So I have 1 times 352 and 30 times 352. And so then I drew an arrow to show the partial product. So now pause the video and carefully do A and B. Okay, on number 2, it just says solve using the standard algorithm. So I'm going to do A for you, but you know how to do this, and I'll walk you through the steps. Okay, first I'm just going to do 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now I'm going to my 20, my 2 is in my tens place, so I'm going to add a 0 here to hold my place value. Now I'm going to do 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. And then I'm going to add those two together. So if you notice right here, Ethan, 628 is 2 times this, and then 20 times this is the same, except we add a 0 because it's not 2 times, it's 20 times. So here's the answer. So go ahead and pause the video and do B and C. Okay, so number 3 is a word problem, and it talks about a snake measures 0.23 meters long. During the course of his life, he will grow to be 13 times his current length. So you know how to set that up. So it would be 0.23 13 times, okay? And then write your answer with a unit. Okay, that's number 3. Okay, number 4, pretty simple too. Zenon earns $142 per shift at his new job. Okay, $142 for every shift. During a pay period, he works 12 shifts. What would his pay be for that period? So you would take your $142 and 12 shifts, and that's how much money he would make for his 12 shifts.